Welcome pioneers! Tired of having a regular room? We brought you 9 of the coolest gadgets for your bedroom so that you will be the envy of your friends. It is not only about getting relaxed, improving your sleep quality or having fun, but you will also get a futuristic design to your room. All links are below in the description. Keep watching.
Hey everybody, Coach Joe here with Tutor Games. Let's play some electric football. Check out this run play. Number 27 is going to fake the run. Watch for the blocks by the tight end number 88 and wide receiver number 80 as they seal the lane for our running back. Touchdown! That play would work. Look at this! Same formation, but this time we're giving the ball to 27. Watch him follow his blockers on a power run for a touchdown! I don't want to see you celebrating with a dive. Act like you've been there before! What a running game! Let's see how the quarterback does on a pass play. Look! 89's open! Take your triple threat quarterback, put the ball on his throwing arm, and put him in place of the quarterback on the field. Line up your target and flick the arm. Got him! Now adjust your ball carrier and any untouched defenders. Play electric football.
Don't start your day off on the wrong side of the bed with blackout curtains that claim to block 99% of light. Get the Smart Curtains Ultimate Light Blocker that truly blocks 100% of light. Feeling refreshed and awake, you are now ready to start your day. Smart Curtains have a patent-pending technology that no other blackout curtain has ever achieved. Not even a smartphone flashlight stands a chance against the Smart Curtain. Having trouble trying to get your little one to go down for a nap during the day? Eliminate the stress of nap time by using the Smart Curtains Ultimate Light Blocker. Block 100% of light to give you and your family the rest that you need. Get together with friends for your favorite shows or movies. Shut the curtains, turn off the lights, grab a snack, and don't let that annoying glare mess up your favorite picture. Do you prefer grommets or rod pockets? 84-inch or 63-inch? bold, or neutral? Smart Curtains have it all. This product is available in a variety of styles, colors, and sizes to complement any room in your home. See for yourself what a difference the Smart Curtains Ultimate Light Blocker can make. If you want ultimate light blocking and maximum energy saving, the Smart Curtains are for you.
Meet Sensibo, a unique device that makes any air conditioner smart, making your life comfortable. Sensibo turns off the AC when you leave home and saves up to 40% on energy consumption. With the Sensibo app, you can easily control the AC from anywhere, assuring the right temperature at the right time. Sensibo, your smart AC has arrived.
And I would like to introduce you to our premium adult sound machine. So this is what the product looks like in packaging. And then this is what the product looks like outside of the packaging. So as you can see, there's a nice design to the speaker on the front. And then on the bottom is the battery compartment. So it operates on 3 AA batteries, which are not included, or an AC adapter, which is included. And so the AC adapter looks like this, and it plugs in on the back here. So let me show you the features of the sound machine. So this is the on-off button. It will illuminate. And then this is the timer function. So adjacent to this is a 15, 30, or 60-minute timer. So you have the option of leaving the sound machine on all night long or setting a 15, 30, or 60-minute timer. So if I press this button once, you'll notice that the 15 minutes is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 15 minutes and will automatically shut off after that time period. If I press it a second time, the 30 minutes is illuminated. That means that the sound machine will stay on for 30 minutes and then shut off after that time period. If I press it a third time, 60 minutes is illuminated. So the sound machine will stay on for 60 minutes and shut off after 60 minutes. Beside that is the volume control. However, you need to turn the timer off. So we're going to hit it a fourth time and the timer is off. You can do volume up or volume down. So let's review the sounds. You can hear the white noise already, but the sounds are white noise, summer night, rain, songbird, brook, heartbeat, ocean, waterfall, thunder, and rainforest. So let me turn it up a little. So you've been listening to the white noise. Here is the summer night, rain, songbird, brook, heartbeat, ocean, waterfall, thunder, and rainforest. And again, to turn the sound machine off, you press the on-off button and the light goes off. So once again, this is our premium adult sound machine, and welcome to Big Red Rooster.
Distracting noises, racing minds, and a life full of phones and computers can make it difficult to sleep at night and focus during the day. In fact, 2 out of 3 Americans suffer from a lack of quality sleep. If you're tired of waking up on the wrong side of the bed, relax your mind and body with the Zenergy collection from iHome. These Bluetooth speakers are designed with light and sound therapy to realign your circadian rhythm to your sleep and wake schedule. Choose between therapeutic sounds of white noise, digital recordings of natural environments, or engineered tones that mimic meditative brainwaves to experience a more focused and peaceful state of mind. Zenergy Light Therapy uses soothing red and orange-toned hues to increase melatonin and encourage sleep at night, while stimulating blue-toned and multicolored themes help you wake up and stay energized throughout the day. The Zenergy line is endorsed by Dr. Michael Bruce.
Throughout the day, your body is exposed to different wavelengths of light that help maintain your natural sleep-wake schedule. But if you have a busy day, you could actually deprive yourself of this event. The Zenergy collection simulates these light wavelengths with soothing sounds to trigger subtle biological responses that can improve your overall sleep, energy, and mood. I'm going to be recommending this to my family, to my friends, and especially my patients.
With multiple light and sound therapy modes, the Zenergy collection is for all ages and features models for both home and travel. Plus, use the convenient Zenergy app to customize your settings and daily schedules. Get the good night's sleep you deserve with the Zenergy collection from iHome. Sleep restfully. Wake energized. Zenergy.
Can't sleep? Noises keep you up at night? Your journey to a better night's sleep starts with Nightingale. Nightingale, the first smart home sleep system, clinically proven to help you fall asleep 38% faster. Comfortable sound blankets are optimized to mask noises, so you sleep better and wake up refreshed. Nightingale is controlled from your smartphone or PC, which immerses your bedroom in blankets of comfortable sound specifically tuned for your room's acoustics. Plug the units into your bedroom wall outlets, download the app, input your room type, and get ready for a better night's sleep. Nightingale integrates with popular smart home devices, giving you custom voice alerts. Say goodnight to sleepless nights. Get Nightingale now.
That's all for today, pioneers. This has been our compilation of tech gadgets. We hope you like it and also to see you back soon.